I'm going to show you 8 ways to start a sentence in Irish using present tense verbs. You're going to find this very useful for starting a conversation, but also for maintaining a conversation. Just very briefly, I want to say a big thank you to all my Patreon supporters out there. Your support is much appreciated, and if you would like to become a patron, I'll leave links in the description and in the first pinned comment. So let's get on with the video. So ihem means I eat. Ihem. Ihem brachan agus toasta dom of breakfast. I eat porridge and toast for my breakfast. Ihem brachan agus toasta dom of breakfast. Ní ihem is I don't eat. Ní ihem fiol. I don't eat meat. Ní ihem fiol. Ólaim means I drink. Ólaim té le bainne. I drink tea with milk. Ólaim té le bainne. Ní ólaim is I don't drink. Ní ólaim ach inis is a ríis. I don't drink that much. Or literally it means I don't drink only now and again. Ní ólaim ach inis is a ríis. Molaim means I feel. Now it could also mean I hear, but I'd associate it more with I feel. Molaim gcónaí faoi inis. I feel bad about it now. Molaim gcónaí faoi inis. Molaim is next. This means I recommend. It could also mean I advise or I praise. Molaim dit an leabhar seo a léamh. I recommend that you read this book. Molaim dit an leabhar seo a léamh. So molaim dit is like saying I recommend to you. You might remember my video on the do prepositions a few weeks ago. So dit is literally, it just means to you. And then an leabhar is the book. An leabhar seo, this book. And then a léamh is to read. Credim means I believe. It could also mean I understand. Credim go DINGEAN go bhfuil sé fíor. I strongly believe it's true. Credim go DINGEAN go bhfuil sé fíor. DINGEAN there is an interesting word. It comes up in place names a lot actually, like DINGLE in County Kerry, for example. It just means like a stronghold or a fort, and it can be used in this context as well when you're making a conversational sentence. Credim go DINGEAN go bhfuil sé fíor. Beam is the present tense of the Irish verb be, which is to be. Beam literally means I am, but it means I am as in terms of an ongoing basis. Like for example, for me it's perfectly normal to say the following phrase or sentence: I do be making videos every week. That might sound a little bit strange to someone stateside, but to me it's perfectly normal and perfectly natural. It's probably a little bit of Hiberno English that has originally come from the Irish language. So it literally means I do be. So here's a phrase os Gaeilge. Bím ar mo shuaimhneas anseo I gcónaí. That means I'm always relaxed here. Bím ar mo shuaimhneas anseo I gcónaí. So ar mo shuaimhneas just means at my ease or in an incredibly relaxed situation. And then anseo is here and I gcónaí is always. Bím ar mo shuaimhneas anseo I gcónaí. So not only is it saying I am relaxed in this place, it's really saying I do be relaxed all the time that I'm in this place, whether it's now or in the future or whatever. If you enjoyed this video, don't be afraid to tickle the thumbs up button. And I'll be back soon for another video. And I'll see you then. Slán go fóill.